Hello, we have a product. I've been sent a Auto-Vox. I already have an Auto-Vox. I'm going to show you this as well. This is an Auto-Vox Solar1 Pro wireless backup camera. This is what I'm going to show you. It looks pretty fancy actually, it looks pretty clever. I've got a reversing camera already in my van, a small screen that's on my dashboard, standard built in, and it's perfect for reversing the van. I've also got one in my car, absolutely perfect, but Denise hasn't got one, so I'm thinking about installing this in Denise's car afterwards. But I have a Auto-Vox camera as well. I'm going to show you that. My Auto-Vox camera is actually on my dashboard at the moment. I've got it mounted to my mirror, and I've got an external camera fitted to the top of my tailgate on my van, so that when I've got my bikes on the back and I've got the rack down like so, I can see the whole of the back of the van, whereas my normal reversing camera is down below and I can't actually see the rack, so I don't know whether it's, you know, too far back to hit anything. This is where this comes in. This is actually designed to fit on your number plate, but you can actually fit it anywhere, so you can have it on a high level or a low level, but it is actually designed to fit on your number plate. I'm going to open the box and show you what you get in the box, and then after I've done that, I'm going to do a separate video where I'm going to install it and show you how quick, how easy and how amazingly fast this is to install. And if you want a reversing camera for your van, for your car or your truck or whatever it is, this is wireless. There are no wires to be connected apart from a cigarette lighter you plug in. There are no wires from the back of this. It's got a solar built into the rear camera, so you pre-charge it. It will last up to 75 days, so you've got no worries about this thing running out of power. Absolutely brilliant. Let's get an unboxing done and I'll show you what you get with you. So I know there's a bit of a strange camera angle, but I am in my van. This is what you get, box. So you slide the cover off and we'll have a look and see what we've actually got inside this box. And inside our box we have some more boxes. Nice. Now we get our instructions, user manual, tells you how to use it, and if you flick through here, it really is not worth looking at because it's self-explanatory. It really is as simple as it is. There are a couple of little things, like if you want to remove the actual unit from the car without disconnecting it from your number plate, you can actually undo the screw and slide it off. So that's one way of doing it. So yeah, you don't really need to take this thing off, you can plug it in, but you get battery indicator and you get some faults if something's not working, so you know what to look for. You've also got a warranty card in here. You get an 18-month extended warranty card, and then you get your camera. So this is your camera, a small camera. It's very, very lightweight with a cable on the back. Like I say, this plugs into your cigarette lighter, and I'll show you all that in a moment. But that's a very, very lightweight little camera. You get this little box here, and inside this box you have your chargers. So you've got a USB charger with a USB-C on the end. This is for charging your unit. Mine's already charged up to 100%. There's a little red light on the side and a green light, which I'll show you in the other video. So you get that. You also get your cigarette lighter, which is a great little cigarette lighter. It really feels like it's made really, really well. It's also got a USB port on it, so when this is plugged in, you can plug this in to the USB port and you can actually charge the unit. This then plugs on the camera and keeps the camera running. And then you also get in here, you get your sucker mount, which is for attaching your camera to and sticking it to your windscreen or your dashboard. And then in the back here you have your camera. This is your camera. It's already got a solar panel built onto it. This solar panel then will be collecting all the light once it's on the back of the vehicle all the time and charging constantly. This is your camera, and it's also tiltable, so you can have it tilting up and down to get it in the angle you want. And this is your mount that goes on the back of your number plate, so you can either drop it on your number plate this way or drop it on your number plate this way. It goes universal both ways. And you also get inside, you get a sticky pad, which is like a M3 sticky pad for obviously sticking this to your number plate. And you can also, if your screws are in the right place, you can put the screws through the holes, but we will show you how it all fits in the next video. So that's what we get in our box. That's all I wanted to do, show you what's in the box. The Auto-Vox Solar1 Pro wireless backup camera. If you want to watch more, then check out the next video and I'll show you how to install it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao for now.